See question number 5. For a particular arithmetic sequence, U10 is 16. U10 is 16 and S25 is equal to 100. Find the value of k such that UK is equal to 0. We have to find the value of k. Now we have the formula of nth term of arithmetic sequence is UN is equal to U1 plus n minus 1 to D, where UN is nth term, U1 is first term, and D is common difference. So from the given elements, we have U10 in which n is equal to 10. So put in equation, U10 is equal to U1 plus n minus 1 into D. The value of U10 is 16 is equal to U1 plus 9D. We name this equation as equation number 1. Now we have the formula of sum of n terms, which is Sn is equal to n over 2 into 2U1 plus n minus 1 D. Now from the given elements, we have S25 in which n is equal to 25. So S25 is equal to 25 by 2 U1 plus 25 minus 1 into D. S25 is 100, 25 over 2, 2U1 plus 24D. 100 into 2 over 25, 2U1 plus 24D. We have 8 is equal to 2U1 plus 24D. Now we name this equation as equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and equation 2, we have two unknown variables U1 and D. First we find these variables so that we can find the value of k. Now we multiply equation number 1 by 2 and then subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Equation 1 is 16 is equal to U1 plus 90. 16 is 32 is equal to 2U1 plus 9 to 18D. Okay, this is equation 1. We multiply equation 1 by 2. Now equation number 2 is this, and now we subtract the equations. So when we subtract the equation, we change the signs of the second equation. So this plus u1 and minus u1 cancel each other, and 32 minus 8 is 24 is equal to plus 18d minus 24d is 6d minus 6d. So d is equal to 24 minus 6, and the value of d becomes minus 4. Now we have got the value of d. By putting the value of d in any one of the equations, value of d, let's we put d in equation number 1 so that we can find the value of u1. So equation 1 is 16 is equal to u1 plus 9d, and here the value of d is minus 4. So u1 is equal to 16 minus plus 9 4 is 36. We have the value of u1 is 52. Now for the value of k, we have given the value of uk is equal to 0. Here n is equal to k. So by using the nth term formula, we put n as equal to k. So k is equal to u1 plus k minus 1 into d. Now uk is equal to 0. u1, value of u1 is 52 plus k minus 1 into minus 4. So 52 is equal to minus 52 is equal to k plus 1 to minus 4. Now minus 52 over minus 4 is equal to k, sorry, it's k minus 1. K minus 1. Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 and 26 are 52. So k minus 1 is equal to 26 by 2. K is equal to 26 by 2 plus 1. Now taking the LCM, k is equal to 26 by 2 plus 1 into 2 into 2. Multiply and divide by 2. So 26 plus 2 over 2. Now k is equal to 26 plus 2 is 28 over 2. This 2 cancel, 28 by 14. So we have the value of k is 14. This is the required answer, what we have to find. If you have any confusion, any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.